Okay, we have our head here. We sanded it down. Then we went in and touched up spots that needed to be touched up. And then I used 220 grit sandpaper to sand the entire thing down. So now we're gonna paint the head and the hands that we made, back of the head and the mouth. And we're going to use a white acrylic paint, water-based paint. So we're going to paint this. Then I'll use 220 grit sandpaper, sand it down a little bit, and then put a second coat of white on. And hopefully by that time we'll be ready to start adding color. But we want to get the base down first, so everything, when you do paint it with your color, it covers much better if you use a base. And I always use, you can use any color you want actually if you want for a base, but I always like to use white. Some people use gray. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you get any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we're just going to get all these pieces painted up, let it dry, and then we'll move on to the next step. So thanks for watching.